Hello everyone, you are watching Daily English, Day 5, from TeacherTechTube. And this is Sam, your personalized English speaking coach. Today, I am here to teach you, introducing yourself, in two ways, formal and informal. First, informal, self-introduction, introducing yourself, to friends and family members. Hi, I am Sam, my name is Sam. This is Sam, it's me Sam, people call me Sam. Next, formal self-introduction, introducing yourself, to people you meet, officially, or colleagues, seniors, businessmen and designated officials. Hello, may I introduce myself? This is Sam, from TeacherTechTube. Shall I introduce myself? I am Sam, from TeacherTechTube. Would you mind introducing myself, Sam, from TeacherTechTube? Allow me to introduce myself. I am Sam from CareTech. Let me introduce myself. I am from CIT. Excuse me, this is Sam from CIT. Thank you for watching Day 5. Please, subscribe TeacherTechTube and stay for updates by clicking the bell icon. Cheers.